Good evening. I wanted to start this presentation by talking about Spectrum's the current design assessment. So Spectrum Reach right now, we're a advertising company, so we're basically centered on delivering advertising solutions, and we do that by strong data insights and trying to help small businesses grow. The organization's strategic focus is basically in two concepts. We want a revenue growth, obviously, and operational excellence. At a business level, we align most closely with operational excellence, with product leadership, structurally, Spectrum Reach uses primarily a functional model with some matrix model cross-reference kind of in. We're sort of a hybrid between um, structural, functional, and matrix design. Kind of depends on at what level. From a department level, we're more functional, but as in our team, we're more um, cross-functional. Um, the only disadvantages of this is it can create silos. So my overall assessment is that our design is pretty good. However, we do need a little improvement. I went ahead and listed our strengths and our gaps on this slide. First, the company has a clear strategic direction, which is a refreshing change from our previous leadership. We use local market. We're definitely a local market organization, and we with centralized support capabilities. Third, the culture is collaborative. We're very big on cross functionality. We're very big on customer focused, and we're very big on execution oriented. Um, some of our gaps and risks are that there could be functional silos, which happens a lot with the cross-functional thing, and the matrix uh, model kind of creates dual reporting and ambiguity, which we do see a lot in my team, in the reporting team, because we report on a lot of the same things that other people are reporting on. For Spectrum Reach is to strengthen the strategy execution integration planning system. We should kind of convert our priorities from exceed revenue and operational excellence into one roadmap. So instead of having two roadmaps where we both are wanting to, increase revenue and operational excellence, combine those into one. Um, Kind of simplify and uh, share a small part of our KPIs so that they're a little bit clearer and a little bit easier to follow, and and adopt a quarterly strategy review. Like every quarter, look at where we are, decide where we're going, set quarterly reviews. I think we do need to retain our functional core. I think that works well. However, I think we do need to identify racing maps or identify cross-functional teams a little bit better. We recently reorganized, so people's responsibilities and roles are a little convoluted right now. So we definitely need to identify roles that will help align or help remove duplicate work. I think we need to align hiring, even though we're kind of on a hiring freeze right now, and development, which Spectrum Reach is really good with development, allowing tuition reimbursement and encouraging people to stay with certifications, keep up with certifications and education. Also, keep up with the cross-functional things, develop a matrix so that people are more understanding of who's doing what, and reward behaviors that create strategic impact. I think we really need to work better at building better communications. We do have monthly and quarterly meetings, but I think those should be increased so we can everybody can be aligned on the strategic goals. So overall, my recommendations would be for strategy and planning to create like a 12 to 8 month strategic plan that combines exceed revenue and operational excellence into a common KPI. Also with structure and design, I believe we are structured correctly. We need to keep that design. However, our people strategy needs to improve with the cross-functional capability, understanding roles and who is responsible for what. As far as reinforcing our culture and ethics and values, I think they're doing a great job as far as promoting learning and success criteria. This is my conclusion slide. I'll let you read it at will, but I've kind of already outlined our strategy, so this is the best path we have forward. Again, it's just aligning with mostly aligning with the cross-functional NACRE, since we are a hybrid functional cross-reference structure. Um, Collaboration between the two, or between all the departments, is the big focus.